What's up, Baker Gearheads? It's me, Scott. We're here at Mama Tried. We're in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and we're here with one of our good dealers here, Josh Allison, American Metal.
Yeah, American Metal Customs. Yep.
And we're looking at his bike that was entered into the show here. And tell us a little bit about what this build is.
So, power plant is a 1941 EL knucklehead motor. I was able to score that from a good friend in New York.
Very cool.
That was kind of the heart of the bike.
Yeah.
And what I wanted to do, basically the vision on this, when I was a kid, I saw this little Schwinn bicycle, and they had this really cool tank back in the 50s that they did on them with a little wing. And I thought, man, that tank always kind of stood in my head. So after I found the motor, that was kind of the inspiration about it. And, you know, it kind of, that's how I build too. I start at the power plant, I go to the tank, and the rest of the bike kind of builds itself.
Yeah.
So handcrafted tank, seat, oil tank, rear fenders, struts. I took a Kiwi front end, chopped it up, knucklehead frame, and the 6 into the 4 Baker transmission. Yeah. So what I wanted on this bike was a little bit more speed and rideability. So you guys' transmission fit perfectly with it, the vibe of it. Tech Cycle open chain primary. And,
very cool.
Yeah, it's kind of the bike, man.
Yeah. And what are some of these finishes? So I see some brushed on here.
Yeah.
So you got, is this just steel?
Yeah. So this is 18 gauge mild steel, and then I have bronze accents.
Very cool.
Yeah. Pulled that through the whole bike. Light Asylum was the tail light on it. Sourced that cool kicker pedal. A Light Asylum piece right here. I built the air cleaner out of bronze around it.
Very cool. Very nice. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Very nice build. Thanks for your time today.
Yeah, thank you. And thanks for having hooking me up with the transmission, man.
Yeah, you're welcome. Have a good day.